This week I thought I would show you how I made my guillotine tool. I started off with the 4x6 pipe and ended up with the guillotine tool. Let's get started. The idea was to make a 2-inch channel all the way around like a giant C. The middle was a 3-inch by 4-inch section that I would cut out later, and then I made sure to leave the back open so I could pass through the metal instead of just having it on the end. I definitely had some trouble with this great big piece of metal trying to figure out the right angle to get it clamped down where it would stay so I could cut it. I would gladly accept comments below if you have comments on how I could hold the tube down better. I haven't been grinding very long, so obviously my technique really sucks. But here's a chance. Leave a comment and tell me how to do it better. These corners were really hard. The saw just barely wouldn't quite reach, and so I had to figure out some angles. And of course, I had problems holding down the tube. At this point, I knew it was just hammer time. This is just using the flap wheel just to clean it up just before I start working on getting the welds and everything done. Right about this point is when I realized that I still had to cut the back out. So that became my next task. I did wrap the die spacer with a piece of paper just to create a space to make sure that the die didn't get stuck while I was putting it together. This is where I start laying out everything and just figuring out the placement for all the blocks before I start rolling. These are the 2-inch blocks that I used as spacers to center up the dies so it stayed in the middle of the tube. This 2-inch plate that we use as a back plate to hold the dies in place as well. Just so they'll fit inside the rounded corners of the tubes. but I'm just tacking down the 2-inch blocks on each side. Once I get the back plate tacked down, then I'll get it all welded up together. Unfortunately, while I was grinding and cleaning up the bottom section, the battery went dead on the camera, so I didn't get any of welding on the top section. But it literally looks the same as the bottom. Here I am cutting the bottom plate off a piece of metal that I had sitting around. I figured if I'm going to weld it up, I might as well clean up the edges before I do. Yep, looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Now let's go and drill a hole in case the bottom die gets stuck. I have a way of pushing it out. Here's the bottom plate all welded up. Now I'm just going to make a section that's nice and clean for me to weld the Hardy tool on. Once again, sorry about the camera battery. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.